At the same time, my wife was battling with same issue and it resulted to her infertility, fallopian blockage and abdominal pains. The whole situation baffled me, but I calmed myself down and stayed hopeful. One day I was browsing through my device and saw an array of herbal liquid mixture. I paused and read it all. I usually don't like liquids at all, but then I looked at what my family was going through and I decided to give it a try. I placed my order and used it as prescribed. That's how my story changed. I proceeded for lab test after use. The results came out with no bacteria growth or pus. I decided to share this testimony with people. That eliminates infections, bone pains, stomach noise, pus and bacteria movement. Sponsored. Source.